What's up, LNC Fam? Welcome back to another video. I got myself a new project, Tesla Model 3 Performance, and we're gonna be doing something crazy to this car. We're gonna be installing Widebody kit. So let's take a look and see exactly what we got. Got a beautiful Tesla, and this car belongs to one of my friends. How the quarter panel damage happened: a motorcycle was splitting lanes, and then it got too close to him and it hit him in the quarter. So we're gonna be replacing the quarter panel, and while the car is here, we're gonna be installing Widebody kit. He already put bags on it. So we're gonna be putting flares, Widebody kit, different side skirts, fender flares, different bumper, different hood. And then for the rear, we're gonna be putting different rear bumper. And then for the final, we're gonna be installing big wing in the back. So it's gonna look very, very wild and crazy. Gonna be one of a kind Tesla. So let's pull the car inside, start taking everything apart, and we'll go from there. Just got the Tesla inside of the shop so we could start working on it. And first things first, we're gonna put the car on quick jack. This way I have a nice 360 axis, because I gotta remove the bumper, front, rear, and all that fun stuff. And I already got my new quarter panel. Let's check it out. Got my new quarter panel. So first we're gonna replace the quarter panel. And once the quarter panel is done, we're gonna start test fitting the Widebody kit. Should be fun. Let's do this. Just got the car on quick jacks. So next, I'm gonna remove the rear bumper. Kind of want to free the quarter area so we could start cutting it out. I gotta remove the bumper, take the inside trim apart as well. Kind of free this area completely, so this way we could start cutting this one out. And I gotta remove this side glass as well, because it's gonna be in our way. I'm ready to start cutting the quarter panel out. We removed the side glass, fender liner, so pretty much everything is free and we're ready to go. I know some of you guys gonna ask, why don't you just fix this? Unfortunately, we have a little hole right here. This is where most of the impact happened, and then the rest, the bike kind of fell on the car, and this is from the handlebars. So that's why we're gonna replace it, make it look like nothing ever happened. I'm ready for the surgery. Are you ready? Let's do this. Выходила на берег Катюша, на зеленый берег и крутой. I fix it for you, no problem. Just removed the old quarter panel, so now we could start test fitting the new one. And this is what it looks like. I left this part, I want to measure it before I cut it, so we're gonna overlap the quarter panel on this and we'll do our measurements and start cutting out. And then I saved this piece. By this piece I'm gonna know exactly where to cut, and this is where we're gonna weld them together. So let's start test fitting everything and we'll go from there. This is gonna be our top cut, and we gotta measure this piece right here. This piece should go something like this. Okay, everything looks pretty good, lining up really nice. So now I could mark this area and do a cut, and we'll test fit it again. Okay, just installed the quarter, everything lining up really nice, caps are perfect. This is what it looks like. So now we could start test fitting the side flares and the rear bumper. We got some progress, just installed the rear bumper and flares, looking pretty good, not too bad. Let's take a closer look. So rear bumper fits pretty good for the most part, just gotta do a little bit of body work. The flares are not too bad either. And then I'm gonna have to cut this quarter panel out all the way down. So this is what this looks like. So next I want to test fit the front. That's the fender and then the bumper. So right now I'm gonna remove this bumper and we'll do a quick test fit on the front bumper. It's a mean looking bumper. Sheesh. So we'll install the bumper and take a look at the final picture, how everything looks. Just installed the fender flare and front bumper. This thing looks crazy. So next we're gonna change the hood. We got a different hood as well. And this is the hood we're gonna put. Just pulled the car outside to see what it looks like, and man, it looks wild, one of a kind. I love it. Let's check it out. Check out this aggressive, mean looking front end. I actually like the way it looks. I like the hood and the bumper, and look how much wider it's gonna be. Pretty much 6 inches on each side. But this is what it looks like. We're still gonna have to get some custom wheels made for it. Definitely gonna be one of a kind Tesla. Please drop a comment. Would love to hear your feedback on this one. And yeah, this is what it's gonna look like. So for now, we're gonna end the video here. Stay tuned for the next episode. In next episode, we're gonna start securing the quarter panel. I still gotta weld everything. And then we're gonna start securing the body kit as well and start the painting process. So for now, thank you guys once again for watching. If you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!